Hi, this is Gunilla, Live Your Dream Guide, and I would like to explain more about my intuitive art training because it's a fascinating and spiritual approach to creativity. It's not just about learning artistic techniques, but about reconnect with one's inner self through the process of creation. And it encourages a deep spiritual journey where art becomes a form of self realization, inner healing, and transformation. It's not a therapy, but it has therapeutic effects. And I will help you to access your creativity and inner wisdom. I will not instruct how to draw or paint because you will create with flow and find your own way of expression. Flow of energy, intuition, and understanding the connection between the microcosmos, the individual, and the macrocosmos, the universe. So, art and spirituality are deeply connected. And this kind of teaching is a meditative and transformative experience. And it will transcend technique or artistic training. It's about entering a state of flow where the mind is quiet and the inner self guides the hand. It's about unity and oneness, where there is no separation between the artist, the art, and the creative force of the universe. So there is no formal technique or judgment. It's unlike traditional art education, which often focusing on mastering techniques, I will remove these boundaries. The idea is that everyone is creative. And when we remove judgment, we allow our natural creativity to flow. It's about trusting the process and letting your intuition guide you. There is no right or wrong way to create. And this can be incredibly freeing, especially for those who feel blocked or intimidated by traditional artistic methods. It's an inner growth and healing. The process of creating art in this intuitive, non-judgmental way allows emotional and spiritual healing. So many participants that I've had, they feel a deep sense of peace, clarity, connection with themselves and the world after practicing this. And since there is no focus on technique, it can help you to unleash creativity if you have felt blocked or disconnected from your creative potential. It's like rediscovering the natural creative flow that you have inside. And you will enter a state of flow where time seems to disappear and you are fully immersed in the present moment. And this can be highly relaxing and stress relieving, leading to greater spiritual awareness and personal growth. And what else can I tell you? I will help you to go through various stages of creative awakening. Again, that there is no good or bad. There is no goal of producing a masterpiece. It's about the process of creation and tapping into your authentic self. You don't need any formal art training, and you don't have to follow any specific techniques. You just trust your intuition. Let your intuition guide you. And this could mean using colors, shapes, patterns that feels right in the moment without overthinking. The idea is to tap into your inner voice and let it lead the way. You find your way of expression. Maybe it's acrylic, maybe it's oil, maybe it's crayon, maybe it's aquarelle. And we can use art as a meditation tool. Treat each creative session as a meditative practice. You can focus on your breathing, quiet your mind, allow yourself to be fully present with your materials, helping you connect with deeper spiritual insights. And with this, it may create a shift with your understanding of yourself and the world. And the process can lead to profound personal and spiritual transformation, as it helps you to access deeper layers of your consciousness. Well, so my intuitive art course is a way to experience creativity as a spiritual journey. And it bridges the gap between the ancient wisdoms and modern artistic expression, allowing for profound personal transformation. We are removing judgment, embracing intuition, and see art as a meditative practice. I want to free you to create from a place of authenticity and inner wisdom. If you are passionate about combining art and spirituality, and this may be a path that resonates deeply with you, offering a holistic way to explore both your creative potential and your spiritual journey. So you are welcome. I invite you to take a training. Either live, you can come to me on a course, physical, or I have a course online. Welcome.